In this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Overview, we dive deeper into the pepper industry and see that red and yellow pepper prices decreased sharply. We also expect carrot prices to peak within the next 2 weeks, while orange prices decreased by 31% the past week alone, with more volumes still expected. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Overview, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. To make sure you get the latest information first, subscribe to AMT's YouTube channel or one of its WhatsApp groups where we usually share some extra information as well. The links to these groups are available on AMT's Facebook page or just send me a message directly. Looking at the latest economic indicators, the rand is currently trading at 18.53 rand per US dollar, while the Brent crude oil price dropped sharply over the past week, trading on $75 per barrel at the moment and was temporarily below the $70 mark earlier last week. The drop was due to higher oil inventories in America as well as the banking crisis, which created concerns about global demand. Vegetable prices are still well above last year's levels, which can be ascribed to low supplies to the markets in general, which was influenced in turn by load shedding and erratic weather patterns. For instance, although the potato price decreased by 15% the past week, it is still 25% higher than last year and is currently trading on 52.19 Rand per 10 kg bag. The average Class 1 price traded lower on 55.38 Rand, while the average mondial price decreased to 50.08 Rand. The average Class 1 mondial price traded on 70.06 Rand per 10 kg bag on the Nile.ag platform earlier this week. Tomato prices decreased by 21% to 10.57 Rand per kilogram and is about 68% higher compared to last year the same time, while the Class 1 tomato price decreased to 11.65 Rand. I think that we can see higher prices over the next month due to higher demand and supplies usually being on a lower level over this time of the year. The latest carrot price traded on 5.95 Rand per kilogram and is now 44% higher compared to last year the same time. The Class 1 carrot price increased to 6.20 Rand, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large price stayed on 77 Rand per 10 kg bag. Carrot prices are likely to peak within the next 2 weeks when demand is at its highest. We are then expecting high supplies and lower demand to put pressure on carrot prices as we head into the winter. Onion prices continued on its upward trend, increasing by 13% the past week to 88.77 Rand per 10 kg bag, which is 105% higher compared to last year. The Class 1 onion price increased to 94.42 Rand, while Nile.ag's Class 1 medium white onion price traded on 90 Rand per 10 kg bag. Other vegetable prices traded as follows: cabbages on 4.37 Rand, garlic on 45.52 Rand, spinach prices decreasing by 41% to 5.61 Rand due to 63% higher volumes, pumpkin prices increasing by 3% to 2.76 Rand, while sweet potato prices decreased to 6.27 Rand. The average pepper price decreased by 8% to 16.29 Rand, with green pepper prices still increasing to 14.13 Rand. Red pepper prices, however, decreased sharply to 20.01 Rand, while yellow pepper prices decreased to 22.88 Rand per kilogram, mostly due to higher supplies of those varieties. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers, which is now also available on their app. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. For a journey of a lifetime, let Halfway Toyota Ottery help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal and review him directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price nationwide. In the fruit market, banana prices increased to 10 rand 7 cents, while the average class 1 price increased to 11 rand 1 cent. The average banana price is now 16% higher compared to last year, but I think prices can stabilize on current levels due to higher volumes and then start to decrease in a couple of weeks. On Nile.ag, the class 1 large hand variety price traded higher on 220 rand per 18 kg box. The latest apple price traded on 7 rand 90, while pear prices increased to 7 rand 49 per kilogram last week. I think pear prices can continue in an upward trend for now, while apple prices can become cheaper due to higher expected volumes on the markets. Orange prices decreased sharply again last week to 5 rand 68 per kilogram, which is about 31% lower week on week. Volumes to the markets increased by 53% and is likely to continue to put pressure on this price this season, as more orchards are still expected to come into production and put more pressure on this price. The latest lemon price, however, increased to 5 rand 53 per kilogram last week. Avocado prices decreased by 10% to 11 rand 10 per kilogram, with the class 1 avocado price decreasing to 14 rand 78 last week. I think prices can stabilize on current levels for the next few months due to higher volumes also expected. Table grape prices decreased to 19 rand 73, while the latest pineapple price also increased to 11 rand 52 per kilogram. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Theatre and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.